Hi my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to hide chat in WhatsApp. Okay, open WhatsApp. Now to hide one of the chats here, long press on the person that you want to hide. Tap on this icon. OK. The chat is hidden now. Please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's hide this one too. Just long press and do the same. You can see no chats. Here is how to check the hidden chats and unhide them. Tap on Archived. These are some of chats that I have hidden. I can even chat privately, so to unhide. Long press on and again press on the same icon. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.